it's food time. Someone else is just as fast. Well, good morning. It is 93 degrees. It didn't really cool down so much last night. It's really hot. I mean, it's kind of reminiscent of when I lived in Arizona, except in Arizona it wouldn't cool down. It would be 103 at midnight. So people here don't really know what heat is, and we don't have humidity, which is nice for being comfortable, really bad for wildfires. Hence yesterday's video, so that was a lot of fun. Oh, I wasn't gonna walk because I know that Jack, it's just too hot for Jack. He doesn't deal well with the heat anymore, and I figure Gatsby's probably driving everyone crazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick them up. We're gonna go over, I gotta feed Max the tortoise, and while I'm feeding him, the goose will run around the yard. Gatsby loves turtles, so there you go. They used to have a tortoise also, so he's really, you know, he's good with them. Oh, in the meantime, before we do any of that, I am going to meet, and I just walked by their house earlier this week, and I was thinking to myself, going, oh, I hope they get a new dog. If you remember my clients in the past, Ruby and Zuma, those two really cool Dobermans, and it was a shame because they died within like 6 weeks of each other. Really sad. So they got a new Doberman, and I am on my way to meet them. So I'm excited for that. It's gonna be an easier day today. So I say that fingers crossed, right? Come on, let's go. All right, the sun has gone down, but it hasn't cooled down. It's still 98 degrees at 7:30. I've got 3 more dogs I just need to check in on this evening. Kind of funny, I had more last minute dogs this evening than I did during a normal Saturday. But, oh well, not complaining. It's a beautiful evening. So, I'm going to tell you guys that I appreciate you watching, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.